Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick video on how to remove this piece right here. It's a very simple piece, but yet kind of complicated, so stay tuned. All right, so if this hasn't been off ever, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. So first thing you want to do, open up your trunk, take the screw out. Okay, after you have the screw out, lift this up, put your hands in here, put your hand in here, and then what you want to do is you don't want to lift this up too much. It's going to crack this piece. And then you hold it, pull forward. Once you have it pulled forward, just take it all the way out. You'll notice on the bottom, there's a clip right here, and there's also double-sided tape. You'll see that this was a lot easier for me to take off than what you're probably challenging right now, or being challenged with right now. It's because of this piece of tape right here. I'm not replacing this piece of tape just because I don't think it's necessary. So I'll just keep it there so that it won't vibrate. But this clip and the screw is definitely sufficient enough to hold this back. So when you want to put this back together, just put this back down here. Slide it back in. And then put your screw in. Most people probably want to take this out to get it painted. Mine was getting faded a lot faster than anything else on this car. So I just got it repainted. And that's it. After you're done with it, close your trunk and you're done. This video can at least help some of you guys see what's under that piece right there, so you know that there's a clip and there's some tape on there. Also, if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll give you guys more content as I'm working on this car. Thank you.